So today, what happened? We This was the pre-market, and the this indicator that I will tell you was giving me a support zone right here, and it had a resistance zone right about here. And this indicator also gives you the zigzag lines, which pretty much tells you where the low point is and where the high point is. And if you see this resistance zone, it's right above the where the high is. So now here, when the market opens, the points that you will be looking at is this point, which is the lowest point, and it is below this support zone. So that is good. So if it kind of closes below that, you can take a short. Okay. Or if the price goes above this and this aligns with the this resistance zone here, the price goes above that, we take a long. Okay, it's that easy. All right, so let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, so we can see that the price is firmly above this level that we had drawn, and what that also did is it removed that resistance zone that was there. So here I can easily open a buy contract or a long contract and just hold it. Okay, at this point the stop loss will be below this, or I can even move it here, but let's just move it here. Okay. So stop loss is here. If the price falls here, it will take me out. It will give me a loss of $300. But the way it's going right now, I think I will end up making money. So now I'm in $112 in gains. What that indicator did, it's showing me a another pivot high right about here. So it's kind of warning you that be careful, the things can move down. So what I will do to protect my gains and not have this much loss, you see these green boxes, I'll move my stop loss right below this green zone right about here, and I'll keep holding my long. Okay. I am now in $305 in gain. I only have one contract open. So what happened last time? We had this high, it created a low, and then it went over this high, and now it's creating another high here, and then a higher low. But now but the price is still going higher, so I am okay. At this point, I can move my stop loss right below this point, right about here, so now I can actually hold it without worrying too much that I can lose money. Okay, if the price moves down, I will still collect about $26. But I'm gonna keep holding until that scenario occurs, until it hits my stop loss. Here I am again in $365 in gains. What now the price happened, or what this indicator is showing, create another higher high and a higher low. So the trend is definitely in an uptrend. I'll take my stop loss and I'll move it right below this low. Okay, and I'll keep on holding it. What the price now it did is it created another high and is coming down. I'm gonna keep holding my stop loss right about at this level, although there is another higher high. But I still believe that even if it comes down here, it will go back up. This is not a trend shifting, a trend reversal at this point. So the price is definitely below this low. It can indicate a, trend reversal. I'm still gonna hold my stop loss at 187.50, although my overall gains is in $300. What normally happens, even if there is a, trend shift happens, it will go up and it will make a lower high. So it'll be a lower high than this, and then it will start dropping. So I want to see if that happens. So this indicator is showing if there is a lower low compared with this, and it made a lower high. Now this is concerning. What I can do is I can move my stop loss slightly higher, right below this low here, because I do sense that the trend shifting is going to occur here. Okay. So yes, just like I had thought that the trend is shifting, it took my stop loss. I'm still in the gains of $232. Now, because this is a trend shifting, we can turn our attention to taking a short, and that will happen because it's already creating a lower high now. So this right here, located having a lower high and making a lower low, that is a trend shifting. I'm gonna wait until this low, so it'll be right about here. Once this low is taken out, then I can go ahead and open a short. Okay. I have a candle closing below that. I'll go ahead and open a sell. At this point, my stop loss will be above here. Although I can keep it here also, but this loss will be, it will take out all of my gains. So to protect my gains, I will move it to here. If it takes 187.50, I will still be in the green for the day. Okay. And the what the indicator is now showing, it made a new resistance zone. So this is looking good. This is working with the our theory of trend shifting. So now it's giving a resistance blocks. So it's looking good for the shorts. And look what had really happened, because we had moved our stop loss right above the high of this. It came very close, but then it's moving down. So I think this is looking good. We should be able to collect some more gains here. We are firmly in green here, 177.50. I can go ahead and move my stop loss a little bit below, down to here. I'm going to keep on holding. This indicator is showing me the support zones right about here. And yes, I believe it will hit simply because there was a low here and it's below this low here. So I do feel that it's going to hit one of these green boxes. And there we have it. It hit the first green box after doing a little bit of dance here. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss a little bit below. So to protect my gains here, I'm going to move it right about here. Okay. And I'm going to wait to see if it hits this green boxes below. Okay. Well, it didn't hit the box below, but it did take out my stop loss. I'm still pretty good, looking pretty good here with 354 for the day. Right here is about almost closing of the market. So I'll just go ahead and keep this and not take any more trades. This is how you trade. This is very simple, and this indicator does help. The name of the indicator is MSBOB, and my setting is set at 9. So you can pause the video, uh, note this indicator, and use it just like how I use it. It is a free indicator. Thank you for watching.